Well, hello friends, welcome back to my channel again, Code with me. So friends, this is the first session of Python. We'll be discussing about basic introduction and basics regarding this Python language. What is Python and what are the applications that is done from Python which makes it one of the trending programming languages in 2020. So friends, before wasting time, let's jump directly to the video. So friends, what is this Python language? So almost you guys have come across that Python is nothing but an extended version of Java programming language, which is found to be far more flexible enough than any other programming language in current technology. Okay, so what is this Python? Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding makes it very attractive for a rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or a glue language to connect the existing components together. So friends, what is this interpreted, what is this object-oriented, and what is this high-level programming language? So friends, speaking about interpreted is nothing but another compiler software, which the difference between the interpreter and compiler is compiler take all the codes simultaneously and compile it. Interpret is nothing but it takes every single line in the code and compile it and execute. And the process continues until all the lines of codes in the program is completed and compile it together. And speaking about object oriented, it's nothing but it's really making use of data encapsulations, abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance. And speaking about high level language, it's nothing but high level programming language since it's a hybrid programming language, friends, which make use of both interpreted and compiler at the same time. Okay, it's a high level built in data structure combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding. So friends, it's a high-level data structures combined with data typing and data binding. So if you want to know the in-depth details regarding this data typing and data binding, so friends, do one thing. Only speaking about definition will not get the clear clarity about this typing and binding. I'll make an individual video for these things too, and makes it very attractive for rapid application development, and as well as for the use as a scripting or a glue language to connect to the existing components together. Okay. So friends, why do you want to learn Python? This is the big question. So here are the application friends which makes the Python one of the most trending language that is used in the current trending technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, big data and cloud computing, whatever it may be. So friends, so let us check the applications that make the Python one of the biggest programming language. First one, Python can be used on a server to create a web application. So assume you want to create web application. Currently, obviously, we can create from Java and we can create from another languages. But making use of Python reduce the code, uh, reduce the size of the code. Okay, that's the main advantage of Python. Second, Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Okay, and Python can connect to a database system and can also read and modify the files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Okay, and Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Python can be used for the mathematics and system scripting. So, friends, these are the advantages that makes the Python one of the most powerful language. And perhaps every organization, if you go for an interview, every interviewer asks you, expect you to learn Python. If you want to know the in-depth details regarding the Python, why this Python makes one of the most popular language compared to all friends, okay, I'll give a clear definition about why this Python is found to be one of the most best language and flexible language compared to that of other languages. So friends, speaking about syntax, print, hello, welcome to Python programming language. So you guys are wondering, where is this syntax? Assume you have heard the syntax in the Java programming and you have heard the syntax in the C programming, you have heard the syntax in HTML. But speaking about syntax, friends, there is no such thing as syntax in Python programming language. Assume if you want to write a program that contains only hello world, you can just add print hello world, the program will execute. So now you guys have the clear picture idea why Python is called a far more flexible language. Okay, assume if I write this print hello welcome to Python programming Java friends, assume it may take 6 to 7 lines. And speaking about C programming language, it may take somewhat like 4 to 5 lines, but Python it ends up in one single line. So that is the reason it's far more flexible compared to that of another programming languages. Okay, so friends, from next video, I'll be starting directly coding part, starting with variables, loops, industries, and hooks concept regarding the Python. Request to kindly please follow up all the videos. Okay. So before directly exiting, friends, I would like to say if you have any doubt regarding the introduction of this Python, request to kindly please pin down the doors. I'll definitely reply you back. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video, make sure you thumbs up. And if you like this program, share and comment about the review of this video. So friends, thank you very much, friends. Have a nice day. Keep coding. Love you all. Bye.